Didn't mean to get that close.
Dang it.
Well, oh, nope, I got it.
Yay. Found the mirror on the rocks.
Found the what?
On the mirror. I think we're missing a mirror.
Oh, mine.
It's a left
Oh,
side.
no, it's mine.
Oh, he's missing the left
Oh,
side.
left side or right side?
Oh.
I'm missing the right.
Oh. No, you got it right.
Oh,
No,
I'm
that's-
missing the left.
He's got the big square, so that's his.
I'm missing the right and left.
Oh, I'm missing the left. I didn't realize it till just now.
Well, that's yours. You got the little one. You got the big square.
I'm stuck right here.
Yep.
Okay.
I have a bag right there on my tire.
We're gonna try that again.
Holy shit.
That's some pretty good articulation there, Alan.
And I'm just like, well, okay. Like,
Oh, what happened, John? That's problematic.
Already starting off with the jokes.
quick turn. There you go. I'm gonna use that weight, get it tipping. Get behind me.
You're in a hole.
off. Let me let y'all see it. Oh, you got the same trash bag.
Huh? I got what?
Yeah, the chip bag.
Oh no, I threw that bag over here.
I'll just do it backwards because it's so easy.
I like John's idea of a double turn system. I'm like, we need babe. Those whip sticks we need to put on, babe. That Josh bought me. I got pink whip sticks.
Now we got to figure out how to get out because you can't fit under the bridge.
Oh, we can't? Right here. Right there. That sucks, we can't go into the bridge.
Crap, I dropped myself in. Piece of cake.
He said it ain't very nice. This side's a lot more forgiving than the other side. Yeah.
Oh man.
Never good crawling when you see the sky. Don't know how to get it.
Is it gonna fit through there?
It doesn't fit through there, I tried. Oh!
one I've been eyeballing. Look at them reef servos for about 5 minutes. I'm like, nah, it's alright.
I'll probably just look at, see what the rating is on the stock Traxxas one and go for about 1.5 times that.
Yeah.
I don't need Gorilla Killer. I just need better than what I got. I don't think you can go under the bridge. But the climb out is a lot easier than it looks. There's a lot of traction on those rocks.
That wasn't pretty. Oh! No, don't do it again. Turkey.
I digged the hole.
Did you use your front dig or your?
No, I used my foot dig. These tires dig with the boggy. Oh
yeah. See what Sticky Mickeys do. High gear, disc lock.
Oh, it's got the cut bars, yeah, that's in around it.
Oh yeah, mine just wasn't wrong.
Poor bird.
Hey, look, it legitimately can't get out. High centered. Hey Jim, get a cool video. Hey. Watch, I got something cool I can do.
I'm trying to hold.
Yeah, pull that one. Nope.
I'm playing with your butt.
Are you stuck too?
Yeah.
Hey, bring one of the Jeep over here.
I'm cuddling with your butt.
Watch. Come here.
We're gonna do a dynamic rope recovery over here.
Put him here. Which one? I don't care.
Oh, nice.
Pull the back of the truck. Ow. Okay, he's forward. He's forward.
Oh, God.
Okay, we're tight.
Just scale. That's like 1,000 pounds.
Okay, stop. You're gonna break my bungee.
The dude, you saw a little bungee stretch and snatched
That's
it
what
right
I'm saying. Yeah, smack.
Now we gotta.
Really?
You're my wife. They said my wife gave you away. You didn't even see me.
You don't have a hook point.
I took the back bumper off.
How did you manage?
Same wheelbase, the wheelbase.
You get it with a board?
Okay, that was cool.
I got my.
But we need to see whose holes were deeper.
I think yours are.
Our tires are taller,
Yeah, your
and we both quit when the belly hit.
Damn it, there goes Mike, I had done it a
Your
couple
tires are much taller than mine.
He's got the long line too.
It doesn't even phase my Jeep. Well, it's because it filled back in with sand. I guarantee you do like that, like we did, and just bury it. It'll hold you, it'll stick. It'll get to where you can't just let it, just bury it. Yeah, see? It's a big top. Aha! bury it means you
like
didn't even get to
drier
the
over
soft
there than it is
stuff.
over here.
Yeah.
I like these tires.
Watch this dig action.
Mine's not that fast.
Oh God.
See now, look. If I turn the
Oh! I didn't expect you to go back forwards, dude. Oh.
You know, people are going to come out here and go, what are all these little holes for? Right?
These are the unmistakable tracks of the diamond-billed rockpecker.
You just wanted to say the word pecker.
He did.
And
Oh, good.
now,
And I filled the hole back in.
now, the fact that we said pecker on your video, you're going to have to edit it out.
Trailmater gets away with it because it's a bird name.
I'm like, pepper's not bad. It's when you say another word. Oh, never mind. You got to
Keep going.
Let me get you out.
Get it out.
Give it a little bit of reverse. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, check it out. Oh, they're making fun of me because one of the times we came down here, I drove across the output of one of the water features, and it was pretty cool. And when I tried to turn around, I fell in a hole that was about 3 foot deep, and the truck just sank to the bottom.
I'm not sure.
Technically, it's changed but her hands are cold because you don't want to die.
That's the jam right there, huh?
Stack some shit.
Thank you, John. I can get up on it, but I can't seem to climb it.
You can attach.
You just tie center before you get over it.